Hello children, so in this math speed video, today we will learn about the few questions given between your skill sheets 46 to 50. So here we go. On page number 75 in your skill sheet 46, it is given question number 7. Write the number name of this number. So children, as you have done only tens and ones form, so see 3-digit number are there. So if it is given 109, you will read like this. It can be written like this. We start with ones, then tens, then comes your hundred. So this number is your 109. So you have to write the number name of this 109. So what is the spelling of 1? You know very well. We read this number as 109. So you will write 100 HUNDRED 109. Okay children. Now we move to next question given on page number 77 of skill sheet 47. So children, you have studied about the time chapter. Draw hands to show 6:30 means you have to make a hands to make the timing show, the clock show 6:30. So how you will do? There are two hands. Long hand represents the minute and the short hand represents the hour. So what is the time? Like which hour? 6 hours. It is 6 hours. So small hand will be on your 6. Okay. 6 hours. And your long hand will be your how many minutes? 30 minutes. So each, this is of 5 minutes. From 12 to 1 is of 5 minutes. Then 5 plus 5 is your 10. 10 plus 5 is your 15. 15 plus 5 is your 20. 20 plus 5 is your 25 and 25 plus 5 is your 30. So your long needle, your long hand will come like this here, parallel here. Okay. So this is the time. Draw hands to show 6:30. This is the time. Okay children, I hope it is clear. Now we move to next question given in your skill sheet 47 on page number 78. Color every third box. Children, you have to color every third box. Okay. Every third box. Count first, second, third. So this is your third box. You will color this third box like this. Okay. Then again count first, second, third. You will color this third box properly. Okay. And the next first, second, third. So you will count the third box. Every third box you have to color. So clear? You all will color it nicely. Okay. Now we move to next question. 400. Again see 3-digit numbers are there, but you all have studied up to 99 only. So I will tell you how to do. See. H T O. H T O. You will write like this. 3-digit numbers are there. Okay. So you know very well, we always begin from ones column. So 5 minus 0, when we subtract 0 out of 5, we will always get the same number. You know the property of subtraction. We will write 5 here. So next is your tens were placed. Which number? Here is 8 and here is 2. So you will subtract 2 out of 8. When we subtract 2 out of 8, we get 6. And the last number at hundreds place is 4 and 3. When we subtract 3 out of 4, we will get 1. So what was the number? See, we subtracted 320 out of 485. We got 165. So this is your number 165. Now next, on page number 75, skill sheet 48. Children, this is not in your syllabus, but it is given just to solve it mentally. Okay. This is a symbol of your division. This is a symbol of your division. First, we will discuss about the symbols. See, this is a symbol of addition, then subtraction, your multiplication, and one small line and one dot above and one below. This is the sign of your division, and it always symbolizes the second number. Second number, when it is written, means the first number is the bigger one. 4 divided by 2 means we have to divide 4 divided by 2. How much we will get? We will do it in the form of multiplication, beta. Here it is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is your 4, means when you multiply 2 into 2, you will get 4. Okay, so when you will grow in the higher classes, when you will go in higher classes, the process will be given like this. The bigger number will be written here and smaller number will be written here. You will study in brief how to do divide. Means you will count the table of 2, then at like 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, means 4 comes, you will write 2 here and you will write 4 below. So 4 minus 4 is your 0. So this number is, you will do cross like this. Okay, so 2 twos are 4. So which number will come here? Your number comes 2. So when we divided 4 by 2, we got 2. This is your answer. Okay children, you can do in the form of multiplication fact. Next, in the same way, skill sheet 48, page number 80, see 7 into 8. It can be written as 7 times 8. So in the form of repeated addition, how you will write? I've already explained. 7 times 8 means 7 groups. How many groups of 8 are there? 7. So write 8 how many times? 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many times count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 8. 7 times 8. So in the form of multiplication. But children, see, this is the easiest method. How? If you will solve in the form of repeated addition, it will take time. First, you will add first two numbers. 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 plus 8 is like this you will do. So if you know the table of 7, quickly you can multiply and you can write in the form of like this. 7 into 8. So what comes 7 into 8? Tell me. 56. 56. Okay. 56 will be your answer. If you want to solve, you can solve like this. I'll show you. 7 times 8 first write. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. See how many? 7 times 8. Okay. So first we will solve the first two numbers. 8 plus 8 is 16. Then 16 plus 8 is your 24. Then 24 plus 8 is your 32. Then 32 plus 8 is your 40. Then 40 plus 8 is your 48. 48 plus 8 is your 56. So your answer is 56. Okay children. Now next question is very important, given on page number 81 of your skill sheet 49. Question 10. Are the pages of the book symmetrical along in the middle? Yes or no? Means symmetrical means children. Symmetrical means having two halves that match each other exactly in shape, size, etc. Means it means you have to see that if you open the book, both the sizes of the book means symmetrical, having exactly same. It should be same. So see the books, see the pages, are they divided equally? See, so many pages are here and here are less pages than here. So are these pages of the book symmetrical along the middle? Your answer will be no, it is not. Understood? Because it means that each other sizes, like exactly the two equal halves should be exactly same in size and shape, etc. Okay children. Now next, See, this is very important. Money chapter you all have done. Observe the price chart and answer the questions 12 to 14. So this is a price chart. Your coffee, the cost of your coffee is per cup rupees 20. Tea is rupees 10 per cup. Milk is rupees 5 per cup. So you give, your question 12 says, you give rupees 20 to the shopkeeper and buy a cup of tea. What change will you get back? So children, cost of cup of tea is rupees 10 and you have given 20 rupees. So how much rupees you will get back? Your rupees 20 minus your, what is the cost price? Your rupees 10. So how much rupees you will get back? You will get rupees 10 as change back. Rupees 10. Okay. The next question. If you buy a cup of coffee, a cup of tea and a cup of milk, what will you pay to the shopkeeper? Means if you buy all three together, how much you have to pay? What will be the price you have to pay to the shopkeeper? So children, cost of cup of coffee is rupees 20. Cost of cup of tea is your rupees 10 and cost of cup of milk is rupees 5. So 20 plus 10 plus 5 is your 20 plus 10 is rupees 30. Rupees 30 plus 5 rupees 5 is your rupees 35. Means how much you have to pay? Rupees 35 you have to pay. Okay. Next question. If you have rupees 10, will you able to buy a cup of milk? See, you have a rupees 10. Will you able to buy will you able to buy a cup of milk? What is the cost price of cup? It is rupees 5. So, and you have rupees 10. So, will you able to buy? Yes, you can. You will write in the box, yes, I can buy. Okay. Now, next. Question 15 says, color 1/3 of this shape. See children, 1/3 means this is your round. This is your circle. If we say half, we will divide like this. And 1/3 it has asked. So, we have divided like this. So, 1/3 of this shape will be, you have to color 1/3 of this shape. 1, 2, 3 are there. So, 1/3 will be like this. Color any portion. Any portion. Color properly. Neatly you will color. Okay. This is your 1/3. Okay. Color fully. Next. Skill sheet 49, page number 82. Write the number name of 140. Again, HTO is your 100. So, 1's place is 0, 10's place is 4 and 100 places. So, 140 you will write. 100 HU. I am writing here. Okay. I am writing below. You will write in the box. 100. And what is the spelling? 40. 140. FORTY. This is the spelling you will write in the box. 140. Next, last, 50. Page number 83, skill sheet 50. 9 into 8 is your 9 times 8. Now this you will solve by your own. 9 times 8, I have easily explained everyone. Means how many times you will write? How many times you will write? 8, 9 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 9 times 8. Count equals to how much? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 8. If you know the table of 8, it is not given in the syllabus. So, if you know the table of 8, you can easily write. Okay, otherwise you can add. How you will add? Like this. First two numbers. 8 plus 8 is your 16. Then 16 plus 8 is your 24. 24 plus 8 is your 32. 32 plus 8 is your 40. 40 plus 8 is your 48. 48 plus 8 is your 56. 56 plus 8 is your 64. 64 plus 8 is your 72. So your answer is 72. If you know the table of 9 or 8, you can easily do. Means 8, 9 times 8 is your 72. If you don't know, so you will write in the form of repeated addition. Okay. Next. This is very important. What is the place value of 7 in 4678? See, 4-digit numbers are there. Means 4-digit means you will begin with ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand. When you will go in class 2, you will learn 4-digit numbers. So, 1000 at 8 is your at ones place. 7 is your at tens place. 6 is your hundred place and 4 is your thousands place. So what is the place value? Means you have to find out the place value of the number 7. So what is the place value? See, what is the place where I have written? I have written below 10. So what is the place value? Is your 10. So means it is the place value is your 70. Place value of 7 is your 70. But if I would have asked what is the place of 7, then you would have written tens. Then you would have written tens. But in the question it is asked place value. That means what is the place value of tens? It is your 70. Okay children. So thank you so much.